Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ada here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make homemade onion oil for hair growth. Guys, if you want to know how I came up with this homemade onion oil, continue watching as I share with you guys. So the first ingredient we have is of course onion. So this is two sizable onion, and as you guys can see, this is red onion. The first thing you're going to do is to peel the onion. So if you don't have the red onion, you can go with any species of onion you have. So after peeling the onion, you put the onion in water and wash thoroughly. And next, you grate the onion. So guys, here is a grated onion. You can reduce the onion juice. Okay, reduce the juice. As you guys can see, I've reduced the juice. And put this into a clean bottle. So add carrier oil of choice. You can mix carrier oil together. You can mix coconut oil, olive oil, okay, together. So I have 1 cup of carrier oil, and as I add the carrier oil, I mix so you guys can see. So I added about 250 mils of oil. Okay. Shake very well. We're going to leave this for 2 weeks, okay? So guys, this is our onion oil after 2 weeks. Hope you guys are seeing how it looks like. So this is cold compressed onion oil for massive hair growth. So open the bottle. As you guys can see, our oil is on top, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is to strain to get the oil proper. So leave the oil to drop. So pour into a clean bottle, okay? So guys, this is our oil. How you're going to apply this, you are going to make sure you apply on a clean scalp, okay? apply on a clean scalp and you leave it overnight, then wash off the next morning. You can do this for 2 to 3 times a week, and guys, your hair will thank you. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day, and bye for now.